Hello folks, welcome to the line side between Minehead and Willerton. So we're basically in the middle here. So I'm literally standing on a walkway, and if I just turn the camera around, a minute, I can actually show you. So past there, there's the line, so all the way around, I can go around from there, go past there, and out to see there is Wales, South Wales. So, what is there else to say? Seen some good stuff today. Seen 37, 273s, GBRF, courtesy GBRF rail freight. Both Hymex, one of which is made its Gala debut from overhaul. Which is good. What else? Both 33s, one of them anyway. And the two class 25s, both from Southampton. D73, I think it's D575, D375, D5735 Mercury, and the other 25, both from Southampton. And about it really. But we've had a few rides on some trains today. Such a nice day, you know. So I'm gonna do this very quick because my back's gonna go down 3 bars. So yeah, join me in a little while. I'm going to try, if I can, and film some trains for a bit. So see you guys in a bit.